Did you know your entire skeleton activates in less than a second when you sneeze? It starts in your rib cage. Your ribs expand fast to pull in air. The sternum and thoracic spine help build internal pressure. Your neck tightens to stabilize the head and prevent injury. Your jaw opens slightly while your skull absorbs vibration. Even your pelvis and legs react to keep you balanced during the explosive release. One simple sneeze activates dozens of joints, turning your skeleton into an instant defense system, all in a fraction of a second.